Yo, my man. First indeed, yes. Oh, camera is not set up. Howdy goes, howdy, my man. How you doing? I'll just share my screen. You are first indeed. I love that. I love that. Never somebody said first on the stream. This is good. I like it. I like it. Yo, I don't know what's up, bro. Nice, nice. Work and everything treating good? I should turn this off. Work and everything treating you good? Oh, you're making some project. Sweet, sweet. I'm also like, I started my project which I wanted from a long time. It's an AI thing. I'm trying to put like half an hour something every day. Just started with UV, adding UV to my system. Oh, for bug bounty. Nice. That's good, man. Yeah, I started with like AI, but it's something different, nothing related to hacking, just like so I can learn AI. Just something fun for myself. Thank you so much, Idor. Hope you have a great day too, buddy. Not by today? You're staying? Yeah, I started. Oh, okay, thank you so much. Yo, is the windsurf working? Is the windsurf working for you? Yeah. Also, Ghost, what bug bound do you want to share the project or you want to keep it like for now private? Understandable. I was thinking I will start my windsurf. I might use the windsurf too a little bit, but you keep going because I don't think I will be able to use all the tokens. So you go ahead. I might also use it if that's okay for you. Because I started my project. Probably don't want to use windsurf much because I'm just going to use Gemini and want to code myself as much as possible. To learn more of UV and nitty gritty details and stuff. But yeah, but try login. If it doesn't work, let me know. But yeah, lads. So let's get started with our main thing for the day. The problem of the day is another Leetcode 152 problem. Partition list, right? My portfolio latest. Oh, nice. React to. CVE. Nice. Nice, bro. Bro, see, having a CVE is like almost having like a. What's this called? Open source contribution, basically. Equivalent of open source. Or even better, I will say. Where CVEs are harder to get compared to this. Nice. That's good, man. No? Oh, you were fixing it. You didn't find it. Oh, okay. I see. I see. I see. Well, that's good. Like you're keeping eye on those things, on. That's good. Okay, let's get started with our problem of the day, right? Also, let me just mention here. Uh, I will jump in snow wearing t-shirt and shorts if YouTube reaches 750 subs before 31st December. Oh yeah, 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 makes sense. Alrighty lads, let me just pin this. And let's get started after I just pin this quickly. Okay, yeah, pinning is done. Okay, now let's get started with our problem of the day, partition list. And this is big now. Okay, okay. Partition list. What's that? Yeah, how's everyone doing? Alone Island, I'm doing good, brother. How are you? Okay, so the problem of the day, partition list, medium. Given the head of the linked list and a value x, partition it such that all the nodes less than x come before nodes greater than or equal to x. Given the head of list and a value x, partition is such the way all the nodes less than x. Okay, so if it is 1 4 3 2 5 2, we will have 1 2 2 4 3 5. I think you should preserve the original relative order of the nodes in each of the two partitions. So 1, then 2, then 2, then this is 4 3 5. Nice, nice, bro. So I think this one is actually easy. I think this one is way simpler than the last one. What we can do is, first we are given like a head, Travis head. So we are given head, right? And we have the nodes, and the tail node, right? And we are given x. What I can do, I can create two linked lists. One is like the before, let's say, and one is after. Thank you so much, man. All the best to you too. So before and after, what I need to do is before head will have this, whatever comes before x, or which is less than x, and if it is above x, keep doing it. Add as we keep going, and then when we reaches its tail starts pointing to whatever is the after head. Should be a simple one. Let's see. Hopefully everybody got it. This is a simple one, right? Yo, Wrench, you're late, bro. Ghost was the first one. Yo, this is the problem though, if you are wondering. Partition list. You're not late? Okay, we have the list node as well. One sec. Okay, we have the list node, self value, and the next. I just started with ch. Oh yeah, that's true. What? Yo, good morning, boss. Yo, I'm going to wear, every time I hear rabbit, I'm just going to wear the glasses. I'll start wearing that. Where are my glasses? Oh, there they are. Okay. Looking shakshi. Oh, it didn't show you live. Yeah, oh, YouTube has that issue. Yeah. So when you click YouTube, you have to refresh to see it's live. Whereas Twitch, in that sense, is good because as soon as I go live, yeah. Okay, let's get going with this and try to complete this problem fast. This is an easy one. Partition list is easy. We can get this done. So let's say if we have um, first one, let's say be head or after head, before head is equal to list node with like value, let's say uh, 0 and none for now. Yeah. No, actually, I just jumped all the. I in the linked list, I just directly jumped at the bottom. I was like, we'll just start with medium. And wait, not even before head. I think first I will do is, oh, subs. Yeah. I think somebody just did it, and then like that one person had like around eight subs or something when I saw those images. It is fine. It's fine. It's up and down. We still like almost how to say 20 plus days left. If I reach 750, Gucci, bro. Okay, going to this partition. We have the head and then we have x. So let's say if I define hmm, before, so the linked list before its head is will be, yeah, sounds good. I'm just locking in that. So I'll just start with 0. Same with this after head. Let's say I define both as 0, right? Now, CH, we can someday have an OSINT lives where we either do practical or watch case studies. Yeah, yeah, I'm down for those. I'm not like maybe we can talk because I need some context on what you think is a good one because I don't have any material like what good one will be to watch those cases. Like if there is some YouTube videos, I'm down to watch those or somewhere else. That'll be nice. Yep. I do have a multi-monitor setup, bro. One of the things I will say to improve your productivity, having a multi-monitor is a really one of the best ways to improve your productivity as a coder. It naturally improves your productivity big time. Yeah, I have like three. Technically, I have three monitors, but here I just have two. One is a vertical, one is horizontal. Vertical because like when I'm asking Gemini, I like Gemini a lot. It just works very well for me. So with Gemini, I need like there are long responses and like documents is creating. So yeah, sounds good, man. Sounds good. Yeah, it's I'm able to watch. Earlier, I could not watch when I had one. When I started, when I started streaming, I only had one monitor, and thanks to Rover, he donated money, and he got me. And I cried actually that day. He paid for my second monitor. Rover did a lot for me, man, in this server. And if I ever am able to pay him back, that'd be crazy. I would be so happy. Going back, right? So we have before head, after head, um, and then oh, nice. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, bro. Oh, thanks, man. I really appreciate that. That's a really kind gesture. Let's say if there is no head, right? Instead of head, let's say current. Oh, really? Thank you so much, Laz. Really appreciate that. I'll go a bit more than in detail to explain what I'm doing if so many people are watching. Um, as I was saying, right? We have a whole link list, bro. Now it makes sense. Yep. So we have this head, right? This is my head. So what we are going to do is this is one, two, three, or let's say one, three, or one, four, two, and then three, or not three, five. That's a good number. Okay. And let's say our x is 3. First step would be get a after or get a before and then get a after, right? So before, let's say we are just starting with as a 0 value, right? Both are 0 just for the sake of it, right? Then we create a loop and we start going and we put current as this, right? This is our current. Now we are going to like say go over every single node, keep on going next for the current. And if the value of the current dot node is less than x, less than or equal to, add here. Let's say 1 is added, and then it would add 2. Here it will go with like 4, then it will go with 5. Then we are going to put head equal to this value. Before dot next, head will be before dot next. And whatever is the last value, we just need to keep an eye on before's tail. So before dot tail will be dot next. will be equal to after, this is our after node or after head, dot next, dot next. So hopefully that makes sense, right? So we are just going to define something as current, and I'm just going to say before. Oh, also, Wrench, I saw your thing, right? About naming. Make sure like just name things what you can in English. Don't use AI because it will take you time to come up with good names. It's a hard thing. Naming variables is, I think, something somebody really said, like naming variables is the second hardest thing, right? The first hardest is memory management. Second hardest thing is naming the variables and methods properly. So it's a hard thing, not going to lie, but try keeping this. There is a whole profile of you, man. Yeah, and you do more than me. What are you talking about? So we have after or tail. But if you looking for job, please do this. It's really important. But this is what you will be asked. Like, let me show you something quickly. If I go based on the companies, right? Problems. Let's say if I go with filter and I have companies, right? If I want to see what Google asked recently and status, whatever, right? It will help me understand. So it is still being yes. No, do a lot more, man. I don't, bro. I really don't, because of people I have to do, other devs do. Yeah, yeah. It's just that's what is being asked, right? And if you want a good job, like you have to first enter into the system. You can change the system, but you have to first enter the system before changing it. You can't change the system from outside. It's very, very hard and impossible almost. And current is equal to head, right? So we have all our one. Current is not none. Till current is not none. If current dot val is equal to uh, is less than equal to x. What do we have to do if it is less equal to? Oh, it's just go after. Okay. Is less than x before dot. Oh, I think we can try it this way actually. Both are null. If before head none. Damn, bro, got it. Zeta wise, I have no idea. Sure, I will review it, but just get it. Just get the internship. Having that on your resume, big help. Even though company might be shit, just get that on your resume. If there is a better company applying, go for that internship. But no matter what, have internship on your resume. Very, very important. And right now is the time, because I think January ending or December end or like January start, like Amazon, Google, these guys stop their internship applications. So start applying right now. Dude, I worked as a sales associate, so don't worry. But like, do have something, right, on your resume. It's very, very powerful. Mm, is equal to current. Yeah, I worked on my own business. Should I add that? Like, what is the business? Depends. If you actually were able to generate even a single rupee, yes. Yeah. Mention that, but don't mention it as a business. Mention as a school internship or like school research fellowship. Something like that would be a better word instead of work experience, I will say. Because I had a fellowship as well from MyTex, and I did mention it as a special fellowship or scholarship projects or something, or research, something like that would be a better title. Okay. Yeah, no problem, mate. No problem. I love the fact my control D works like this. Uh, Before it is not okay. Here I have to change. No. But it's good if you have that. It's really good. Before dot tail dot next is equal to current, and before, oh, not tail, underscore tail is equal to current. Same thing here will go. Nope. This guy is not leaving you, Rabbit. After you said that, he's not leaving you, man. He's not going to leave you. Okay, so let's see. Till the current, right? If current keeps on happening, nothing changes in current. So till current is not none. If it is less, before head, if it was in the starting, it was there was nothing there. Before head becomes current tail. If not, whatever is the last tail keeps on getting updated. This one, let's say if there was something, it will get updated, and before tail will start pointing to this. This will go right, and then same with after, right? Yeah. Okay, I think this will should work. Then what we do is return before head. Okay, so what we have to do is after this, head is equal to before dot head, and before tail, whatever the current, dot next is after underscore head, and return head. Let's see. It just says security intern ch will know more. Yeah, yeah. I can check right now after this itself. Head 1 143.252. Uh, okay, head. Oh, okay. This is one way I can do a debug print. Current.val 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, 4. I want to see what's going on. Why is time limit is exceeding? Okay, something is going wrong. 143.252. I'll just make a stupid change just to see. Head and then current head.val current.val 1. It points to 4, which points to 3, blah blah blah. It has 1, points to 4, blah blah blah. So 1 1. Yes. Yeah. No, actually, Idor has CEH. You can talk to him if you want to know about CEH. Idor is like a cert master, man. That guy has cracked a bunch of certs. Let's do debug. I've never tried debug. Okay. If I go here, here, here. Ah, gotcha. Happens when. Okay. We are debugging. This is the first time I'm doing debugging. What am I doing stupid? Bro, CS start doing JS analysis for uh but oh, it's not, man. Stupid me. I changed it and I forgot. Okay. Null, 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 null. Okay, yes, x is 3. Yeah. If this is here, Go to the next one. Is before head none? Yes. It will go here. Before head becomes this. Now I see what's going on. Okay. After 4, yes. Now current is at 3. Should go in after. Yeah. Not here. Yes. What is after tail? Current. Then after tail will be 3. Yes. Current is 2. Before tail should move to 2. Yes. That's 5. Current is 2. Go here. 1 to 2. Yes. Head is equal to before head. So which is 1 to 2. That's correct. And before dot next, whichever is this 2, should point to after head, which is 3, 4, 5, which is wrong. Then there's the cycle. Okay, so I think I understand now what to do. So I'll go temp list node. I'll just create a new node, so I just break all the chains. Current dot val. It will look at temp. It will point and this becomes temp. Okay. Same thing I will do here. And then it will be temp. What about this then? No need to worry about. Let's see. 1 is correct, 1 is wrong. So 3, 5 is missing. Which is okay. Let's debug quickly. Why the 3, 5 might be missing though? I think my college professor might be stealing Leetcode questions. Oh, probably. Probably, bro. It's same as like school teachers taking questions from the, those guidebooks for exams. The same thing. Even here, it's the same thing. This is 1, 1, 4. Oh, this is after head. Yep, everything works fine now. I should stop thinking this is Java. Let's see. Okay. That's a very interesting test case. So I have to just, that is one special test case. if head is none, uh, return none, right? If there's only one value, then before head might be none. None dot next cannot be anything. That is another test case, right? Like if we are given, let's say x is 0 and all the values inside are above x. So in that case, if before head is none, one second, my nose is blocked again. There's just Vicks inhaler that works for my nose. If before head is none, return after head, else head will be before head, before tail dot next. I think this should do the job. Okay, beats only 15% of people. Majority are here. Okay, why? Oh yeah, it's -1 right now, which is not bad. But it was like, I think, what was the weather here? Let me just quickly check. Snow is there, a lot of snow is there. So it is going to be -12 at night today, during the night time, and tomorrow it will be the best temperature, the hottest one will be -12 tomorrow, and coldest will be -14. And on Friday, it will be -12 maximum and -16 minimum. Enjoying life. Holy man. But to put it how cold and how snowy it is, um, the cars are slipping on the, because it snowed so much. Certain roads which used a lot, right? It has ice now, not snow, because some of it melted, and now they're slipping. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Like if you like skiing and stuff, it's amazing. You're doing the same thing as me, right? CH making to list. What? I didn't get that. I didn't get that, boss. You have to explain to me a bit. Let's see how we can improve here. Is none. Okay, I will do that. I'll just do that. Okay, now it's beats 100% of it. So it was just that thing. Okay. Zeta wise. Okay, let's have a look. Zeta wise. Zeta wise consulting, cyber range, and cyber security. That's interesting name. Couple of things I just look at. Okay, started in 2022. Authorized share capital 1 million. Okay, rupees, so 10 lakh. Okay. Cyber security. What is BB? Let's have a look here. Have a look here. I want to look at Glassdoor as well, what they say. Indeed would be a good one to see the people's. Okay, I will check that later. Zeta wise, cyber. Let's see. No, nothing here. Okay, dude, I have a lot. Okay, ISO 2701. That's good. 2018, they got their stuff. Okay, okay. Yeah, one of the ways is to like just look at the people who had did it in past, and there is people in different countries. Associate director, cybersecurity intern at Zeta Wise Consulting. That's the person you can talk to. Intern, cyber range. Okay, so its headcount is 10, 15, like 7 on here. 10 to 50 people are there. Okay, so it's still a new company, which is good. Like I will say, if you have a new company in consulting, you will hopefully will get some actual work. No, you will actually get some work. Yeah, no, those are all I know those type of emails, man. So the good part is if you are going in this startup like this, good enough chances that you will actually get some real life work, which is a really good thing. Because in startup there's a lot of work all the time. You can pick almost like the startup I joined. I started with startup, right? It was nice. It's just very nice. I had a really good time. It can vary, of course, but yeah. So Zeta wise there. Let's see their post. Okay. So here, following a successful risk management training at Grid, 2 days workshop focused on risk management aligned with. Okay, have a chat with these lads. They're just posting about from their website all the things, so they're pretty active in this. That's good. Let's see their stories, like the customers. I want to see which customers they got. Case studies. Let's see the government sector they helped with. Okay, they have a bunch of good clients. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Rakuten. Okay. So they have clients. Indian Kolkata Police Force is also part of them. Yeah, no, if you go to a company and if you have worked, and you can say I've worked, ITC is there, SBI, all these, Birla, Aditya Birla is there, Bharatiya Sena is there, which is good. Ministry of Power. So these, it's good they have, right? These things, and it's a very like they're active with their stuff. Seller ID you saw. So from the looks of it, it looks nice. Nothing bad I see. One thing, okay, you study. All state data in India are okay. CII needs extra digital immunity to protect. Served at the state data centers of India to comply with this certification requirement. Post deployment is okay. Got an opportunity to help with the A1 city police headquarters of our country to identify their cyber weaknesses. That's good. Like so, basically, you will get the job or the work you want to be in, right? So that's a really good thing. Here is nothing. Consulting, right? Good work culture environment. Cons not there. Okay, this I don't trust just one review. So it's a young company, bro. It's like 3 years young, so there are chances you can get some good work done. And yeah, they won't have bug bounty. Yeah, yeah. Young companies don't have bug bounty. If you find a bug, you can report and say, hey, I'm looking for internship, or I'm looking for like a gift something. If you ask like, hey, I'm looking for internship, I found these issues in your website. But be careful, if you find that, if you mention that, you might be in a case that they can sue you. So be careful. It's a very thin silver line if you just be careful. Yeah, go for it. No, 100% go for it. One thing. And also try to reach out to the people who have worked here, right? Try to reach out to the people who have worked in this, because they can give you a better answer, the best answer, because there is not much here, honestly. So I don't see anything wrong. I don't see anything good. And it's a young company, so hopefully everything is good with them. But do keep working towards it. And also, when you go, right, search for this and then people, because it will also include people who have worked here in past, not just like the current people. Okay, let's see. Zeta wise, did none of them mention anything? So there's this, this is their current one. So yeah, just have a look and do apply. Do you want to go offline? You is that like a thing you are okay with? Yeah, like they will. That's their headquarters. It's rough. It's hard. Yeah, are they paying for allocation if you do relocate? Are they paying for these things? Are they paying? What is the pay? Is it going to be worth it? Like there is one thing, like you get an internship. Second is like you don't get paid enough, then you are stressed. What's the bloody point? 6 months internship, they are paying 40K per month. That's good then. Yeah, yeah, no, that's good. That's good. 40K per month, that's a good salary. Yeah, and even reach out like to them, like, hey, do you know somebody there? I can find a paying guest room. Make sure. I don't know if you're vegetarian or not, but like, make sure you can get somebody who can cook food for you, good food, or have a near a restaurant, because food will be a very hard thing. There's laundry, there is cleaning, but food will be the hardest thing when you move to a new city. When I moved to Canada, food was actually a hard thing. Still is. I know how to cook fried rice. I do cook certain small things. Oh, you're pure veg like me. Nice. So yeah, I know small things. Learn, because you have some time. Learn how to make fried rice from your mom. Learn how to make cha. Chai. Sorry, not cha. I'm white. Um, Learn how to make chai. Learn how to make fried rice. Learn how to make just dal, because rice is easy to cook. You can learn how to make rice with fried rice. Learn how to make even a single one or two dal. That will save you. Yeah, yeah, dude. They whitewashed me, man. Yeah, they got me. But learn those things. Those are important things. I learned fried rice, and that helped my ass so much, man. And don't worry about. Remember, internship is about learning. Don't worry about saving the money. Hopefully, your parents are like in a really good financial situation that they can support you. Don't worry about saving money. If you have to spend money on, let's say, just food on the weekends, or just buy it from restaurant, like skip the Zomato or those things, don't worry about those, right? That's one thing I can do. Just don't count money, because internship is about learning, not about becoming rich. Yeah, no, like it will happen, right? It will happen on the very essentials. Laundry, There will be a laundry will be done for you. Like you need to get laundry done, and you will need food. There will be travel expenses. Just be mindful. It will be a great opportunity to learn how to have money, right? It will, like money management, it would be a really good opportunity. But just what I just want to tell you is, do not worry about like not being able to like save money. Just don't worry about those things. There's one interesting thing that, yeah, yeah, because I did made that mistake when I was like every time I just had to buy chai, right, from Tim Hortons here. It was $2 when I came. I was converting. It's like 100 rupees. It was hard to even buy anything. It's very hard. It's hard to live on your own, but that growth you will see in like next 6 months of after going from what's this called, from starting internship. By the end, in 6 months, you will become from a boy to a man. You will realize that because you will see the responsibilities of a man, like how to live alone. You will start understanding your father more. You will start understanding your father more once you start living alone. You will start making money and spending, even at the end of the day when you won't have even a single rupee. You will start understanding your father way more. Also, just ask them, one thing I will tell you, just ask your company that, hey, can you just provide some reallocation, like, yeah, yeah, it is difficult, man. It is difficult. Life is difficult, but one thing I will tell you, my DMs are always open, right? My DMs are always open. Make sure if you ever want to reach out, because things you might be facing in future, I probably have faced already. So you can talk. It's very it is a blessing that you are able to talk to someone who has already faced the same issue. So hopefully I can help you with that. So do feel free to reach out to me, right? And Rover, feel free to reach out to Rover. He's very good with the emotional intelligence. That guy just knows stuff. Howdy, Rover. That's good. Yeah. Try to get one bedroom, one BHK instead of studio. Just try, ask them if one BHK is possible, because you want to have your desktop, your stuff, and bedroom. Rover is very nice, man. Yeah. Well, that's all I have for you. Wrench is just being wrench. But like Rabbit is about to go move to a different city for the first time for his internship. So I was just saying, like, reach out to me or even Rover or other people in the Discord. We are a family. So, bro, actually, I think you don't understand, Wrench. Rover has the admin access of Discord as well as the YouTube. So he's helping me so much. Yeah, sounds good. And I think it was good. Like, you guys are all amazing, man. Okay, thank you so much, lads. It's 11. I have to sleep. Got some stuff in the morning, right? I have to sleep so I can come early. You do. Okay. But thank you so much, lads. That's all I have for you guys today, right? Thank you for coming. Fun lead code stuff we did. And yeah, sniffing packets, saying time to say a small, very little, just couple hours goodbye. So thank you so much, lads, for joining. This was your favorite neighborhood hacker, censored hacker, signing off with a big bye. Thank you so much, lads. Have a good one.